In this video, I'm going to be discussing 3 Shopify tips for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If you have any plans of selling during this huge consumer holiday, you do not want to miss this video. And at the very end, I'm going to throw you a bonus to help you jumpstart your progress and get prepared for BFCM. Let's do this. How's it going? My name is Dylan Pearson. I'm the founder of Pondir.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 crucial tips that I've learned over the past 5 years to crush Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Before we jump into the video, if you are new, first of all, welcome. I'm super happy to have you here. I release videos just like this one every week. So if you're into learning e-commerce or Facebook advertising, make sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell. And if you could also do me the favor of tapping the like button right now, it's greatly appreciated and really helps out my channel. So let's go ahead and get into these 3 tips to help you crush Black Friday, Cyber Monday. My first tip for you is to spend 2 days rebranding your website. I know, whenever someone finishes their website, they never want to go back and have to put in the work to modify it, but trust me, over the past 5 years of doing e-commerce, I've learned on the years that I go ahead and rebrand my website, and I'll discuss the details of what involves in a rebranding. When I actually perform a rebrand of my website, I have higher conversion rates, higher average order values, and a higher amount of revenue. So with that said, right now I'm going to show you how to rebrand and plan a rebrand of your website in just 2 days. So I know a 2-day rebrand sounds like an overwhelming process, but there's really 3 main aspects of the rebrand that I want you to focus on. And step number 1 of any rebrand that I do for consumer holidays is I look at where are the locations that the 90% of consumers are going to really be focused on Black Friday. We're going to be looking at places like Amazon, mainly the homepage, websites like Best Buy, websites such as Overstock. So this is all day 1. On day 1, you want to be focused on doing your research. You want to be looking at places like Amazon, Best Buy, and Overstock. Look at their websites, look at their homepages, and you can go do that right now about a month and a half before Black Friday. The reason that I always look at these 3 is because these 3 websites are really main places that people shop for sales. And by getting inspiration from what they're doing, you're also going to be able to build trust and resonate within customers that have already shopped on these websites. So day 1 is made for research. Go to these websites, figure out what are they doing. Are they doing images with snow hats on them? Are they doing neon colors and signs that say Black Friday, Cyber Monday? What are they doing? Write it down and take note. Take a day, do that, do not rush it, and you're going to get a list of everything that these companies do that inspire the customer to make a purchase. Now you have your list of research and it's time to actually implement. Day 2 is solely built for a couple things. Number 1, creating the designs. What you're going to find, and what I found every year, is that these websites place a huge focus on their images. They'll take their logo, they'll add a snowflake, they'll take their product and put it on a different color background with neon text and neon signs. At this point, you're probably saying, I don't have graphic design skills. Well, that's not an excuse. There's websites like Canva, which are completely free and have these templates ready. You could go onto Fiverr and pay $5 for someone to do this for you. You could go on to Upwork, have this done for you. You could call up a friend who could do this for you. There's no excuse. Get at least 5 images made. Next, what you're also going to notice is the terminology, the way that they have headlines of different discounts and sales and exclusivity, limited amounts of people. Take note of what they're saying and implement it. Specifically, your announcement bar on Shopify, take use of that. Change your product titles to clearly state what the sale is, so it's the first thing that the customer sees when they land on your website. And finally, you might need to actually shorten the amount of text on your website. Why in the world would you want to remove and minimize the amount of text on your website? Well, what you're going to notice on these other websites, the big 3, is they're very straight to the point. On Black Friday, Cyber Monday, it's one of the rare occasions where you don't have to spend a lot of time convincing a customer to buy something. And along with that, customers don't want to have to read for a long time on this weekend. They're going to be wanting to make purchases and decisions as quick as possible to go then find additional sales. It's a rush. It's madness. You don't want people to have to read half of a novel to figure out what your product does. Straight to the point. And this is how you do it. Product title, be descriptive with the title. Label the main aspects of your product in the title. Also in the title, you want to put the sale, the offer that you have. Then below it, you want to put additional benefits. Put 3 to 5 benefits. And finally, you want to do a bit of social proof. And by social proof, images. Buy your product, have your family take some picture with it. I'm not saying go create fake reviews. I'm saying create pictures of the product that you're going to be selling in real life, not just product photos. These 3 right here are going to be the key to someone really understanding what your product's all about, the benefits of it, and social proof. Along with that, the other one detail that I would add to this page is information such as return policy, guarantee, and shipping times. 3 biggest objections when it comes to a customer buying. Add any objection-based answers to your page at the bottom. And that is how you do a 2-day Shopify rebrand for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Step number 2, make sure you have an optimized upsell. Make sure you have a post-purchase one-click upsell funnel. And make sure you have an SMS and email cross-sell set up. This all might sound confusing if you're new to Shopify, if you're new to e-commerce, or even if you're intermediate. Some of those words are more buzzwords. They're not very clear on how to actually perform each one of those. So as I mentioned, what is an optimized upsell? An optimized upsell is simply when someone adds a product to their cart, there's going to be a pop-up with another offer, either selling another quantity of the product at a discounted price, offering a different product at a higher price or a lower price. That's all an upsell is simply upselling the customers. It's the same as if you go to McDonald's. When you order a burger, they're going to upsell you a Coca-Cola and a fries. So that's as simple as that. And what do I mean by an optimized upsell? Apps such as Zipify and a variety of upsell apps simply found in the Shopify App Store allow you to actually split test your upsells. By split testing your upsells, you're going to see what offer performs best with your demographic. This is extremely important as adding on simply $5 to $10 extra per sale will absolutely sometimes double or triple your revenue in the long run. What is a post-purchase upsell funnel? Very simply, after someone completes a purchase, instead of going directly to a thank you page, they will see another page with additional upsell offers. Let's say the first upsell is for the same product but at 10% off. That customer can either then choose to click yes and have that product immediately processed and added to their order, or if they hit no, the reason it's a funnel is because you can then offer them a downsell. You can offer them something at a lower price point, maybe an even better discount. Once again, if they hit no or if they hit yes, you can then show them a 3rd, 4th, or 5th. This is going to give you the maximum amount of opportunity to convert your customer into a higher lifetime value. It's very important to have a post-purchase upsell, and Shopify also just released a massive update to their native checkout where you can install these native post-purchase one-click upsells. Finally, SMS and email cross-sells. After someone completes a purchase or even abandons a cart, you want to be making sure that you have an SMS automation flow set up to then sell them a different product, sell them more of the same product, offer discounts, and same with email. This is one of the easiest ways to increase your success during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and if you're not doing it, you are missing out. Tools like Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign for email, they have these built in. They integrate with Shopify. And with text marketing, there's so many different options out there to perform this function. So make sure you have your optimized upsell in cart, you have your post-purchase funnel upsells and downsells set up, and finally, make sure you have your SMS and email flows set up. Step number 3. This is often the most overlooked and one of the most crucial aspects to a successful Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaign. You need to have a form of live support on your website. It can be chat or it can be phone, either of which are going to help you generate substantial more in revenue. Why? Because the majority of customers that you send in aren't going to necessarily know your product. They're not going to be warmed up because it's Black Friday. You're spending more on ads, you're hitting the mass market, and they don't know about you. So there's going to be those trust issues. What's the best way to overcome the trust issues? Is simply hear the objection from the customer in real time, and then provide them an answer to their objection, which breaks the barriers to them becoming a customer. Sounds overwhelming. Oh, I need to find a live support person. I need to integrate all these apps. Oh, I need to find someone to answer the phone. It is very simple. All you need to do is spend an hour of your time, go on Google, type in live support for Shopify. You're going to find everything that you need to set this up in real time. They have people that will handle the live support for you. You just need to provide them a little bit of information about your product and your service, and you will have live support throughout the entire weekend. Those were my 3 Shopify tips for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Once again, it's very important to actually act upon these. Just listening to me recommend these is not going to help you. Act upon them, and I guarantee you will see success with these 3 tips. Along with that, if you were looking for a Facebook advertising funnel to implement and crush Facebook ads for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, go ahead and check out the Pondir funnel training down in the description. That will help you get your Facebook ads ready to absolutely destroy Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Dylan out.